Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious gummy worms from scratch. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients: unflavored gelatin, granulated sugar, and a flavored drink mix for that vibrant taste. Don't forget your worm molds. Silicone ones work best for easy removal. You'll also need basic kitchen tools like a saucepan, a whisk, and accurate measuring cups and spoons. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get to mixing. In your saucepan, combine the unflavored gelatin, granulated sugar, and a specific amount of water. Place this mixture over low heat. It's crucial to stir continuously until all the sugar and gelatin are completely dissolved. You'll know it's ready when the liquid becomes clear and smooth. Remember, keep the heat low and avoid letting it boil, as this can affect the final texture of your gummy worms. Once your base is smooth and clear, remove the saucepan from the heat. This is the perfect time to stir in your flavored drink mix. Choose your favorite flavor for a burst of taste. Next, carefully pour the warm gummy liquid into your worm molds. A dropper or a small squeeze bottle can help with precision. After filling, place the molds in the refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 hours, or until the gummy worms are completely firm and set. After sufficient chilling, your gummy worms should be perfectly firm. Gently pop them out of their molds. They should release quite easily. Now you have a batch of delicious, homemade gummy worms ready to enjoy. Store any uneaten worms in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week to maintain their freshness and chewiness. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.